My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Vatq. This Vatq is the ransomware from the DJVU ransomware family. However, my video is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you what happens with the files after they are attacked by this ransomware. So you can clearly see that before the ransomware attack, we are able to open our files without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. So these are the consequences of the ransomware's attack. You try to open the specific file, and this is the message that comes up saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Vatq additionally appended extension. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is certainly not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you will simply waste your money, so don't pay it. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of a reliable antivirus program called Combo Cleaner. Get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and once it gets successfully installed, start investigating your computer. In advance, I want to tell you that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt files. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. Most likely the application would first of all update its anti-malware database. After the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program begins scanning, researching, and investigating the system. You will then see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Then at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know the exact locations of these threats on the system. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature, but once again this feature does not decrypt files. It helps to protect the files, but file decryption is not possible for Combo Cleaner or for any other antivirus. At the end of the scanning, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to Premium as one of the best solutions for protecting your data. And please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your files.